car show. Computer. What's that? What? That? What? That over there. What's what? It's a blue, gray sky. The blue's gray that saved us all. But that's odd. Huh. The clouds cover up the blue sky ages ago. And that thing for breathing is north and not west. Then that's a wide turn area. It's wide turn, we're free. Yeah, that's it. Whoa. Watch it, will ya? Oops. Sorry, Scuttlebutt. Jeez, we have a sort of briefing. What's that? You guys needed a sort of briefing? Oh, sometimes we have to deal with these guys that are very identical. Like us, you know. So you shouldn't go through this area, though. And it seems like these trucks are on hold. And maybe keep those boys in line. And you know what? They're unloading seamanship. But this means we'll have you scuttling around. Right then. I'll go talk to Tex. Don't waste time, do you, Scuttlebutt? Ah, what a day. I guess I could... Whoa, whoa, whoa! You two exceed the speed limit. Watch where you go, will you, boys? Oops, sorry. So I was making sure I'm wondering you two should be kept in line. And it's an order. Wait, what's an order? I said I want to go talk to him. Oh, go ahead. So look at what we did. We had to help with the power work, I guess. I don't see what is. But Tex, you gotta believe me. Look at that thing. What? It's a blue gray sky night. Oh. These happen to be the darker shade of gray, I think. And I told him that the sky was covered ages ago. Damn. This missed my story. So where are these people heading to? Think about, whoa there! Watch it, will you two? Sorry. I found out the sky's morning saved us all. We must go. Oh, okay then, fine, we'll go. You know what, Aldrin? Getting here's taking forever. But that's my risk. So, we gotta take this route. Okay, this route was death. I don't know what you're talking to. Come on. Come on. I have no idea where we're going either. Wait, Aldrin, don't cross this bridge. You'll get yourself to... Oh, great, jackknife. Wait, Brock! Wait, where are we going? I don't know where we're going either. You boys are in serious trouble. I'm gonna have to go talk to... Oh, dear. Oh, no. Whoa. Yeah. Wait, no, guys, come back. Wait, It's working. Holy shit. Aldrin, don't pay attention to... Oh, great Spock, Aldrin. Ooh, what's this? A computer? Computer thing? Do you have a response to Agent Mater? Agent Mater? Oh, Mater. Oh, no, we're not. I'm Brock, and I'm Aldrin. Nice to meet you both, Brock and Aldrin. Are you two twins? How did that computer know? Aldrin. Don't pay attention to the computer. State your business. Our business? Oh, our business is, well, our line of work. We were the BAM Racing Center trainees. Do you have the chart of the ignored racer somewhere? Yes, we do. Holy. The animators could have seriously blown their budget by now. So, computer, do you know where Agent Mater is at? He's located at the docks. The docks. I get it. We can go to the docks. Yeah, we both seen it. Guys, wait up. It's about time those boys start listening to me. Text. Oh, great. What is it, Cal? So, Brock and Aldrin came in to see the computer, and it's going straight to the docks. Going straight to the docks? I can't believe it. Going straight to the docks without no one even looking. They're going somewhere. Going somewhere I didn't know. Anyways, go take that range. Sure, go take that range. Well, comes to say,